Facebook Messenger can't open messages. Hi guys, first thing, open the settings. And second things, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every app you have. Scroll until you find the messenger and click on it. Click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back and click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store if you have Android, and if you have iPhone, open the App Store. It's the same thing. Search for Messenger and update it. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.